Hello beautiful souls! Today you will learn how to make the easiest gemstone bracelet in the world. It is adjustable and I've made mine as a gift, so it has an inner circumference of 7 inches. You can add or take out beads in order to have a different length. Let's get started. Take your 50 centimeters of cord and make a knot, leaving 10 centimeters of your string to be able to make your closure at the end. For this bracelet, I've used black lava, tiger's eye, hematite and black onyx gemstones, because they are believed to bring strength, protection for empaths, and against negative energy, grounding and support. I am passing my beads, making sure my cord is pointy, one by one. First, I add 8 black lava beads. Then 1 tiger's eye, 1 black onyx, another tiger's eye, my hematite, and I continue my design by adding 1 tiger's eye bead, a black onyx, another tiger's eye, finishing by adding 8 more black lava beads. Now, all I need to do is to make a knot to secure my beads. You could add your finishing 2 black lava beads now and wear your bracelet by making a knot, but I will make it closer so that it is easier and more secure. To make my closure, I will use my 30 centimeters cord and I will create 6 square knots. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how to make a square knot closure, I have the link of my video in the description below. I will finish the bracelet by making at the back of my closure an overhead knot, cut and burn the edges. Now I will add my 2 black lava beads and measure 5 cm on each side. Cut the excess cord and burn the edges. It is ready! The smallest point is 7 inches and it opens up to approximately 11 inches. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Sending you love and light.